When you're laying out the system and you're quoting, you're providing initial quote for the system, if they are more interested in doing a common area room approach, you may highlight the secondary rooms with a different color, highlight the keypads with a different color, and offer, when you create a quote for them, offer them an option, an add-on option to add these solutions and these rooms, today, instead of in the future, because they may say, well, another 5,000, another 10,000, you never know with your client. They might see enough value in what you presented to just do the whole home if they would like to do it. So when you're presenting some quotes, a design quote form. So quick quote tool is available as well in Design Center. But we recommend when you're creating a quote, we recommend putting a number at the bottom. It's a system. Line item pricing really isn't necessary here unless it's absolutely requested by the building contractor, or by the homeowner, because you need all the kits, the modules, the processor, the keypads, the enclosures, all of it goes into one system. So we either recommend just listing the items if you want to list them, and then put one number. And the number includes the product and the installation and the programming. And this is where some of your uniqueness can come into play. One of the challenges is getting that last 10%. When the client says, the system's done, here's your last 10%. We have some ideas we can share with you in order to help you get that last 10%. The first is, we highly recommend the buttons on all the keypads be engraved. And so remember, when you're designing the system, we wouldn't think about that. Don't even think about, even when you're providing the quote to the client. Maybe you select all 5 button or 6 button, 7, 8, depending on the style that you choose. But don't think about that right now. But in your quote, include, let's say 10 or 15 or 20% additional buttons. So if you have 50 keypads in the project, they're all 6 button keypads, you estimate, that's 300 buttons. Another 10%, 30, maybe you have 30 more engraved buttons. Why not including that in a stipulation in your quote, in your design, that says, we're going to include up to 30 button changeouts, because we're going to lay out the keypads. When we design the keypads, we're going to get with you what we think it should say or do. But we know the beauty of the Vantage lighting control system is you can change out one button, one engraved button. So we're going to include 30 more buttons engraved, so that when you get into the home, you start using the home, we can make those changes. That's $150. It's not a significant amount, and it really allows you to sell the flexibility of the Vantage system and a lighting control system to your client. The other is, we'd also recommend, just in your quote, is to include 4 hours of programming. So this system design, this layout, we're going to include additional programming hours to return to your home, so that as you live in the home for 30 days, create a list of items that you would want and changes, and we'll come back and make the changes, because we know that's the beauty of lighting control. If you have dimmers or switches, you're not going to be able to do that. The beauty of Vantage. One other idea that you could include with your overall designs and designing the system is a wiring topology. This is really nice for an electrical contractor to give to them with your enclosure and your load schedules that are eventually created in Design Center. So this is a nice way, even if a homeowner is visible or visual, they see that these enclosures would need to be allocated into specific rooms in their plans. And you may suggest a couple of rooms where they could do that. If there's a mechanical room in the home, if there's an electrical room, a lot of them are designing the architects are designing AV closets or technology closets into these homes. It's a great place. And so you can visually show or walk through the client the path of communication. When they press a button, what happens? So it's a great education for a client. And this could just be a template that you put onto every one of your designs.